looked like the lion was coming straight for us. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's up? So as you guys can see by the title, today we have a little vlog or whatever. It's been 5,000,100 days and I'm finally leaving the house. We are going on a game drive because we've got a date with Simba, you know what I'm saying? I'm joking, but yeah, we're going on a game drive and I think we're gonna have a little picnic after. So yeah, let's get going.
Ryan Little.
The Rhino and Lion Nature Reserve. We're just going to buy tickets. Well, my mom went to buy tickets, and then we're going to drive into it's a self-drive, so we're going to drive into the place where the animals are and see what's popping.
Everybody pay heed to my Jew. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you.
Just sprints.
My Jew la baju.
I really do. She called my heart. My head chocolate. I started going crazy. Like I can buy you all. That time with me. You showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me. I will be an ATM man. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the boy, it's up. Man, you buy, I buy,
Be hungry for you.
No, they've just had lunch. How many are they? 3. Only 3. Pride of lions. Did you hear Tonga? He said 3 for the 4 of us.
We make it change a pole. Man, you buy, I'm a sa two buy, the 2 buy, we make it change a pole. Troublemaker.
Why lion?
Tonga, don't shout. Don't shout. The PG must be quiet.
Talking, the high looking, like Christina said, oh, we can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo.
Tony, please can you sit still? Sit still, Tonga.
The lion's getting close.
Just chill. Where?
There.
He's there. He's looking at. So now we're going to see the cheetahs. Did she say there's a lot of them?
But it said
8.
no.
So do you think they even keep count? Like we have this many, this many.
Look, we can just.
But now there's also a one, isn't it?
Said no escape.
Yo, the thing with the lion
No.
was
There's only one way to
crazy.
escape. Why does
It
it
looked
say
like the
no
lion was
escape?
coming straight for us, like walking towards us, like it had an agenda. I almost fainted.
Everybody pay heed to my Jew. Cavalli. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you.
Just Springs.
My Jew la baju.
I really do. She called my heart, my head chocolate. I started going crazy. Like back and buy you all. That time with me, you showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be at ATM. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the boy, it's my you buy, jalada. I buy, jalada. The two buy, jalada. We make it change a pole, jalada. My you buy, jalada. Forget. I'm a say I two buy, jalada. The two buy, jalada. We make it change a pole, jalada. Troublemaker. We troublemaker.
We troublemaker.
We causing trouble.
Yeah, yeah.
We stir in trouble. When I see you, they talking. When they see me, they talking. The how you looking? Like Christina said, oh, we can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow up.
I scared you. I tricked you. I tricked you.
Oh, there's.
Oh, it's a
there's
baby
more.
one. There's a baby one. Yeah. Where? Alrighty guys, so we have seen a couple of animals, you know, rhinos, lions, one cheetah and stuff. It was actually really nice, and my first time seeing a lion like IRL in real life, and also my first time seeing a cheetah in real life, because some of the animals I didn't see when we went to Vic Falls and we did the game drive there. I mean, when we did the game drive in Botswana, I didn't see some of the animals. And if you guys haven't watched that vlog, self promo, please do watch that vlog. I will leave it in the cards and stuff. But yeah, now we're done with the self drive and we're just going to have some lunch. We're going to eat something and yeah, probably go home after that. But they do have a lot of other activities that you can do with the same admission ticket, but I don't think that we're gonna like do, sorry, my space ran out, but yeah, I was saying I don't think that we're going to be doing all the other activities that they offer, because some of them are time based and we like may have missed the time, but there's a lot of other things that you can do and check out here as well. Right now we're just trying to find some food, get something to eat. That's about it. Then I think we'll probably head home after that. But I really enjoyed myself. It was really nice to see some of the animals that I'd never seen in real life. Some of the animals we didn't get to see, like when we went on the game drive in Botswana. And if you guys haven't watched that vlog self promo, I'll link it in the cards. Please do check it out.
We make it change a pole.
Guys, there is a literal hippo under the deck, like a literal hippo. I am shook. Look at how big it is. Wow, that's amazing. That's literally so cool.
You pay heed to my Jew.
decided to buy food instead of eating the food and snacks and stuff that we brought. So what happens is that you order here at the restaurant and then they bring the food to your car, and then of course you eat in your car because social distancing, because corona. Or alternatively, if you don't want to sit in your car, you can sit in these like braai stand places, and they're quite far from each other, as you can see, so that obviously helps with social distancing. So I think that's where we're going to sit. It is very, very hot here, burning hot actually, but it's quite windy as well.
Ryan Little.
Alrighty guys, so we have reached the end of our day. We came, we saw, we conquered. We got approached by a lion. We had some very nice food, and yeah, now the day's over. We are going to head on home. It was also really nice to get a break from my books, because wow, your girl has been in the books. I needed to be in the world. I really can't wait for more things to get back to normal and to just enjoy life again. I really enjoyed vlogging this, and I hope that I'll be able to do a lot more vlogs now that things are becoming a bit more relaxed. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of the video, and if you would visit the Rhino and Lion Nature Reserve, also let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.